Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by making a backup and opening the company because changes to layouts can affect printed output. Once open, go directly to the invoice you want to edit. With the invoice on screen, press F12 to open configure options for that voucher type. This is the first actionable step. Make sure you're in the right voucher and not in a report. That ensures the configuration you change applies to the invoice you'll preview and print immediately after. Once in Configure, locate the Display or Print Font Size option. Tally lists size or scaling choices. Increase the point size or select a higher DPI/scale value, then apply the change. After applying, use Print Preview to confirm the layout. This shows exactly how the invoice will print. If the on-screen text looks fine but print does not, adjust the print-specific font or scaling option and preview again until the invoice meets your readability goals. Save the configuration and print a test invoice to verify real output. Visual preview isn't always identical to printed pages. If sizes still look wrong, make sure the printer driver DPI and your system display scaling are compatible with the chosen font size. If Tally reverts changes, restart the application and reapply settings. Also confirm you have the latest Tally Prime updates. One troubleshooting tip: test with a
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.